Hey, traders. Welcome to episode 947. You couldn't be doing anything because of Corona, so you're here. Thank you so much. So, stocks gapped lower today to fill the gap, then had a really nice rally, and then closed off their session lows, but down for sure. We'll take a look at the S&P, Dow Jones. There were some great performers today, with Netflix hitting all-time highs, Activision Blizzard 52-week highs. Oh my god. Really? Video games? Hello? Video game companies should have no problem killing earnings. Doesn't it make sense? When are we going to make an ETF? Right? And I need tickers, chat. Tickers now on what this ETF would be called. We would name it probably HOME, home. And then we would put bunch of individual assets that should benefit well from what's going on now, right? Where you think about like Domino's or Papa John's, whatever, and of course Amazon, Netflix, Activision, EA, and then you could think about like things like AMD and Nvidia, because they are tied to the video game sector, but they're also tied to encoding graphics for anything where people work from home. Zoom, not like just random tickers. My God, tickers that have to do with what we're talking about. Yeah, Papa John's barf. I know, dude. It's just an example. I said Domino's before that. We can call it what?
That's pretty neat.
Zoom is horrible. Okay, Microsoft, throw it in there then. Because they have, Skype and their own thing. Rivals of Zoom.
Is that a joint?
Spin that wheel.
Spin the wheel, man. Last I checked, it's Wednesday. And last I checked, it's like $10 for a wheel spin. If you're gonna get a chance to make me have to chug an effing beer, it's like, is it a joint? Nah, it's not a joint. Thank you, dude. Daniel, for the 420. Appreciate it, man. Incel ticker? No, Fishy, I don't think that's how it works, man. It's like, aren't they called like volcels, voluntary celibates, because we've self-imposed? It's like, it's a new word. It's like not incel, it's not volcel, it's now like whatever a self-imposed incel is, but they're not doing it because they're volunteering, they're doing it because they're being mandated by their governments. How does that work? What's up, Charizard? Hey, I think can you tell me what ticker you were looking for yesterday? And the person who tipped the XRP yesterday, I've been working with, dude, the crypto tip should work now. What happened was he's having issues with Google. It's not worth going into. It should be fixed, crypto tip. So Bitcoin is like below 68.19. Daniel, man, oh my God.
Bruh.
Man, I hadn't had a beer since like when? Friday?
Daniel tipped $22.22. Spin 2.
I don't know, man. Chat, you understand what peer pressure is, right? Lots of peer pressure. Daniel. Okay. Let's think about the rules if we're going to do this. I will do it like this, okay? Where I'll spin the wheel, and the only thing that matters is chug, okay? If we land on chug, okay, I'll get a beer out and I'll friggin' chug it. We'll do it live. But if it doesn't land on chug, I'm not gonna just open a beer and start drinking and all that. Ran a little while ago.
Wednesday spins.
See, this is what happens, chat. This is what happens, Larry. When you open up Pandora's box, just a smidge. What's up, Grubman? Regen, let's go. Come on, let this be the bearish engulfing candle that makes us kings. All right. So that has to be the way it is. All right. Dude, what the F, man?
Bruh.
Spin 3.
Bruh.
Curtis Steve's coming for me too because he went for the 333s. What's up, Crypto Steve? Hey, man, it's like Scuba Steve, but for crypto. Thanks, dude. Yeah, that's... I was expecting not this at all. How do we even get any analyses done? If this is the case, man. Oh, alright. So it's like... Dude, oh my god! Happened to chat! Hold on.
Bruh.
Jesus, dude.
Just spin it. Come on, dude, tongue.
What's up, Anon? Jeffy, man, thanks for the friggin' 50. Oh my god, Scrooge McDuck in the house. We got Anons in the house throwing down Neo Connects. We got little James in the house throwing down Litecoins, man. Oh my god.
Spin it and hit that chug. Kings.
Bruh.
So how many is that? Is that 6? 6 spins now? Before I can even breathe? Six? Okay. Alright. Which one is it? Is it this? Alright. Deep breaths. Here's one. Throwing a message Logan. He owes one.
Let's go.
That's okay, so I still owe 6. Remember, it's only for chug. This is a weird one. It's not for sipping and gulping and socials, though you're more than welcome to sip on whatever you want. It's just for the chug. Okay? So 6. Okay, doesn't count. Not a chug. 5. Need 5. Wow, dude, are you kidding me?
Drink thing we'll do analysis smile.
Okay. Wacky Wednesdays. So I have to chug.
Stimulus spin connect. Add another.
What did everyone get their stimulus checks today or something? Something's going on. So that's 6 again. I'm talking about God. You gotta be kidding me, man. What is happening here? Is that 6 still?
Horn dog 333 to $30. Spin it to win it.
Printer go brrrr. That's right, dude. 7. Okay, 2 Logan Rex, 1 chug. So 6 now. 6 has to be 6. Dude, this is the stuff I was dealing with. The Logan Wrecked is dealing with. Chuggy Chugface is on there too. He's in this too. All right. He's probably, you know, he's watching. He's gonna be just like, what? 4 now, Julia. Okay, 4. Dude. Do we really want to let Logan know? I mean, my God, dude, this is terrible. This is the way that Chug was landing for real on me before. I almost got him again, dude. Ridiculous. Okay, I think that's 3. 3 more? Chuggy Chugface. He's gonna get wrecked, dude. There's collateral damage.
Secret millionaire here. Smirking face.
Oh yeah, Daniel? Do your worst, man. Do your worst. Thanks for the 1337, man. Much love. I mean, dude, I'm gonna pay up. I'm just trying to get, you know, you want to get out of debt, wheel spin debt before you chug. So 2 more. Or, yeah, back to 2. Okay. Dude, I gotta do it. It's gotta be like to the max. That is a cursed spot.
Add another. Loving the community, guys.
What's up, Nerder, man? Dude, thanks for the 10. What the F? So that's 2 now, right, Julia? Because of Nerder?
I was peer pressured into making you chug.
How does this even work? Is this what 2020 brings us? We don't even know, man. The peer pressure is reversed connect. Okay, so now 1. All right, or 2. God, I'm so confused. 2, okay. Thank God for no delay. Imagine there being a delay. I'd never know. So 1 more, and I'll chug. Dude, rip Logan, dudes. How many did Logan get hit with? Oh my
Is that a
God.
joint?
Love you guys. Heart.
What's up, Zoral? Thanks for the 420. Is that a joint contribution? Thank you, dude. Charizard! Netflix.
Spinning with my friends.
Netflix.
I asked for Netflix yesterday, bros. Have best community ever. Thanks for all you do, Mitch.
Thank you, Charizard. Holy crap, man. Here, we'll get that spin out of the way real quick. Yeah, all-time highs. I mean, 426.75. Okay, safe for now. My God, that was scary. Man, so, I mean, hey, at any point, you could start reversing or something and showing divergence, I guess, on the 4 hour. But, man, I mean, straight line up. All-time highs was from June of 2018 at 422. You get it, Elon. So you're just barely there. Barely breaking. Hold on, let's go to the daily. Right, where you just held that demand line, fell below it, but then you finally sprung back tested as support, rallied, and then hit overhead resistance. And then sold off again. And it's really like that ascending triangle type stuff, like at least from here, where there's a sell wall and you finally on the 4th, 5th attempt broke it, and now it's blue skies. I mean, kind of blue skies. You did close at all-time highs, where traders settled up their highest point ever, as well as like we got a high intraday as like 434. So I don't know how long it's going to last, but that is spectacular. Very good. So if you want targets, if we're truly gonna go, and we'll probably backtest 420, right? We'll backtest it as support if it's real life, right? But from that high point, I think this is the way we would do it. High to low. You got your 474, 501, and then you got 540 as the gold mean ratio. Those are your targets if Netflix is truly to really go and have a breakout, all right? That's it. There's your Netflix. Up 3% today. Again, all-time highs. 4 Logan Rex. Oh my God, dude. So are we clear? Do we have clarity now and understand what happened? All-time high breakout, and if this is going to really run, you got targets up here. That's it. On the daily, absolutely no exhaustion. Well, you could be working on it, because as you can see, you got a high here, and you got a much higher high now, and you're not even overbought. Meaning, like, this could really continue to run, but I just don't know what's going to happen if the index funds reverse the downside. That's going to be bad. John Alfonso, man, oh my God, it works! Yes! He fixed it, man. He truly did. We had a long talk. He had to do a lot of stuff.
$39.77. L from PT. 250.000000000 back.
Thanks so much, Portugal Jesus, man. We gotta spin again, and then I'm getting this beer, and then we're gonna chug it, okay? That's it. Oh my God, John, thank you, dude. Here, this is for you. That's not a chug. That is spinner drinks, and I will do it. There you go, right? No need to even get any more zoomed in. Very close, but no cigar. Now my OBS is freezing, like bad. Close. Real close, man.
Bruh.
All right, I'm getting this. Sorry, like everything froze. Like my Stream Deck froze, so I couldn't unmute my mic. So I was going to have to do it manually, like I just did. And OBS was frozen at the same time. This is...
Bruh.
Okay, we're good now. God. Yeah, sorry. So... Don't worry about it, dude. Don't worry about it. I was just talking about something broke again today. It froze, things break, and it's like y'all should take bets on what application will fail me today on the stream. Okay, Netflix, we got clarity, breakout, we got targets. You could be showing bearish divergence on the RSI, but it might make it up to 470 before you mature, or it might get invalidated. Okay? This is one of those that, remember, outperformed when the stock market was crashing. So if the stock market starts selling off tomorrow, this might not sell off with it, and if it does, it's going to outperform, meaning its losses won't be nearly as bad as what the S&P or Dow Jones would do, right? Okay. We're good, right? Speaking of, the Kang Index fine, the S&P, hard soul, let us stock market, man. Well, I mean, you know where we are. Again, what I was saying was we gapped down today pretty bad, and then we sold off. Got to a low point of like 2750, and then we rallied. Why do I not have this? This is not safe. So 2800 is like a major support resistance. So I up-thrusted through
Buying
it.
Bitcoin with the IRS contribution to my checking account. Lala says Chug. 0.00165100 BTC.
All right, Delal, man. Thanks for the $11.09 of Bitcoin. Thank you, man. I'm about to chug. I'm just letting it warm up a little bit, lose a little carbonation. You know how it goes, man. Five Logan Rex. It doesn't even make sense. This is what I was dealing with before things changed. Unreal. Logan's like... He's like the martyr of the chug, dude, or something. He's laying down the chugs so I don't have to, in a way. Thank you so much, Logan, man. We know you're going through some stuff, dude. You're in my prayers anyway. All right. But when you get back, you're going to owe, okay? Real talk.
Bruh.
Your donut never showed up, Danny. What happened, man? Did I receive it? I mean, was it crypto or what happened, man? What was it, man? His chug segment is bigger than mine. Oh yeah! Oh my god! It was Bitcoin. What the heck, Danny? It should come in, right? We just saw John Afonso tip, and we just saw Delal tip, so it should come in. Let's give it a minute, okay? A terrible chug, but what do you want me to do, man? It's in a can. I don't have a cup up here. I don't want to inconvenience y'all by getting a cup. There's so much air. And it was so cold, man. But we got it. Freaking got it. So, S&P conclusion, rejected 2,800. Well, for now. But, I mean, look, you know, where we closed, pretty much below support. I mean, there's kind of a peak that we touched from February 2018. You kind of held at. Dude, it's like just repeating what it did a couple, days ago, where it went down, filled a gap, and then gapped up. So, just as easily tomorrow, we could gap up. Oh my God. We could seriously do that. But as I was telling patrons, all right, that were asking questions about this.
Never too early for a spin. Never too early for a chug. Spin it. Chug it. Kings. 0.0019813 BTC.
Chug it up, Kings, man. Thanks for the 1330 of Bitcoin. Sorry, man. You know how your saliva gets all molassesy. The viscosity, I believe, increases. Maybe it decreases, I can't remember. Viscosity does something to your saliva after that. Anyway. Janelle, oh my God, how about the chat? Let's go!
Been watching you since around to 14K last year. Just wanted to share my stimulus money. Cheers.
Chanel, thanks for the 50. Holy crap. Shouldn't you be getting toilet paper with that? No, I'm hearing now record numbers of people trying to return hoarded amounts of toilet paper, and they're getting refused. And then imagine this, they're getting butthurt about not being able to return the toilet paper that they hoarded, which is terrible. Oh, by the way, yeah, look, God, we'll go back. We're all over the place. Thank you.
You look like you're in a better mood today. Glad of it, brother. Was worried for you last night.
Dude, yesterday sucked, man. It's like Bitcoin hadn't moved in 5 days. It has, but it's the same price it's been for 5 days. Heck, man, in the past 25 days, it's at the same price it was at, So, and again, getting shadow banned, it's like, for what? What did I do? Like, I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting here doing what I've been doing every day for over 2 years, and I get this crap. So, we'll go back to the S&P. Someone remind me, and I got to spin it a couple times now, or once, I think. But so, here's the idea on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin was to reverse here, which is a big if, and it may never happen. It could be over, right? Because when I plotted this, the negative momentum was waning. It was going white again, right? That light red. And so, okay, we could have had triple MACD bullish divergence at that point on the same low. And that could have been how this might play out. But we understand, if we look at it like Wyckoff, this will never happen. Because you know where we are. We're in phase D. This should be phase freaking D of Wyckoff distribution if it's to happen, okay, man? Where you have these scrub rallies on low volume, and on the dumps, they're elevated volume. Signature volume. Every time we've sold off, we have elevated levels of volume. So that's exactly what you're looking for.
If this spin hits chug, you have to do the rest of the show as a potato. Beer.
Okay. Do I owe 2? 2 spins at this point? Anybody? So phase D, remember? Don't you forget it. I know. I gotta spin. I know. Hold on. Oh, really? Snap? Something happened? Good Lord. Okay. So the thing is about it, It's not really there yet. This last point of supply stuff should be coming, like, you should be down here doing it. You know, we haven't really had a major drop to the bottom of the trading range, which I do think you are in a range based on this back test and the fail, right? So you're back deep within the range. This was an up thrust. I guess it was, right? To hit historical resistance. That has nothing to do with this range. But like, just talking about, you know, like, you did up thrust after distribution, you tested it, right? And like, that's like kind of exactly here.
Add one more spin, please.
Okay, Crypto. Steve 420.
Is that a joint?
We'll do it, man. I think that's 3, Julia. Someone. Thanks, dude. We got a hat vote coming too. So it's like you're getting these last point of supply, little rally. You're selling off. You know, we're getting, you know, we're not even close to the bottom of the range, and that's why I'm kind of like, I don't know, man. Maybe not even close. You have to fall so much further down, and that's why I like that X, A, B, C, D idea is possible, but it's only possible if this truly starts winning. You got to get positive price action like now, dudes, to get this offshoot chance of happening, or like a 786 brings you up to like 7,300 or something. All right.
Oh, we spin him now? Sign me up.
Hey, Rush Pez.
Bruh.
Okay, what is that? 4, now 5. Wow, 5. I'm gonna get a cup if I chug again. I can't handle this too much air. 1. 2. 3. 4. You got me. One more. God. Okay. Go figure, man. Go figure. Got another chug. Nice. I'm definitely getting a cup for this. I'm not chugging another can again like that. Okay, so like that, those are like the schools of thought here, where we could maybe offshoot chance develop triple MACD bullish divergence if you're lucky, and we get reversal in price action right now.
Stimulus spin meals.
Oh my god, dude! All right, we're just doing it. So I'm getting it, man. Logan Rec number 6 or 7 now. Jeez, dude, Ubi, what's up, man? Is it okay?
Chuggy chug chug.
You sound like Chuggy Chug Face. Thanks, Ubi, man, for the 20 super chat. Oh my god, it's spinning for that. Jeez. Okay. Still only a 1. Perfect. Do you understand? Do you have clarity now of what's going on? Where you've just got this small chance of a rally here. But if, like, you don't get positive price action soon, then you're gonna dump more. Like, that's it. Like, you're in, like, just your distribution's going on right now.
Is that a joint?
Smoke some weed on me too.
All right, dude. Let me contact my governor and see if Kay Ivy's cool with it. I don't think she is yet, though. Remember, I live in a state.
Tinky Winky says drinky drinky.
Remember, thank you, Delov, man. Here's your spin. I live in a state where they had to have the National Guard. It's close. Had to have the National Guard come to the footsteps of my alma mater to end segregation with guns. Okay? So people talking about the devil's lettuce, man. We're kind of in that same
Man in the
boat.
3 rising valleys playing out on the 4 hours. Triple bullish divergence into the weekly bullish divergence. Into the halving. Moon ball will come out the woodwork. Spin connect.
Maybe, yeah. Fishhead is got conviction on a. Oh, thank God. He is convinced that there's 3 rising valleys on Bitcoin, and to me, I don't like the context of that pattern. I like seeing that pattern in an overall uptrend after you've corrected in the uptrend. That is the pattern that manifests into a continuation of the uptrend that you're currently in, that is long-term uptrend, right? This is not the same case. Like, we're the context for Bitcoin's downtrend since 2019, mid 2019. We're going on a year now. You know, we're getting there. And hey, I would love to see that weekly bullish divergence manifest into something far greater than where we are now. That would be amazing. It really would.
Is that a joint?
Mitch, can we take a look at them please? MLS upgrade today, and now it's retesting 80 EHs.
Talking about getting high on pot news. Who's just on pot news, man?
I live in a country where the economy is almost running better than before COVID-19, peace sign, cool face.
Daniel, where is that? Antarctica? Thank you, Daniel, man. All right, let's get that spin out of the way. I don't owe any except this one, right? I think we're good. I owe one chug, of course. Okay, all right, we're good. We're good. Analyst upgrade on high on pot news interactive. Pretty simple chart, right? Very simple chart. Here it is. So all-time high is $37.03 or something. But you're at 35.61. So you kind of engulfed today. Nice positive Momo. No exhaustion. You're overbought for the first time since December 3rd of 2019. Very simple if you break all-time highs. You measure how you get targets. You just go from the previous all-time high to the low point of the correction before you reversed. And there you have it. All right. If you can break $37, then 42.20 is your first target. $45, second target. Third target, 48.86. Another way to look at it, just saying, if you had a range.
Bruh.
Is that a joint?
That'd be the Netherlands. Hard.
Well, hey, man, I got blood from there. Oh, I mean, like, you know, that's like part of my ancestry. So up there, the Nordic region, okay? Vikings pillaged the Scottish or something. You know how it goes. Old school. Thank you, Daniel, for 420.
Bruh.
We should all move to the Netherlands. Oh, wait, we can't go anywhere. We're stuck at home. Thank you, Daniel.
Hat into chat.
Bruh.
Hat in the chat, yeah. What? Oh my god, Logan's somehow he did his shots. Chat. We have to show Logan. All right, I got one spin, but Logan, who got wrecked, right? He's showing up, man. He's the chug martyr, pretty much. This is 2 shots. Holy crap.
Bruh.
That 3 shots. 4 shots. There you go, man. So he's good. So he has 2 more, it looks like. Yeah, he has 2 more. That's crazy, dude. That's not even right. Oh, the hat. Here's the hat poll. We'll chug the next beer with a hat on, okay? Isn't that the way it's supposed to go in life? Go vote. So, sorry, I was, let me spin, and then we'll go back to high on pot news. Here it is. Logan wrecked again, man. My god.
How do I get on that wheel?
Is that a joint?
It's just like $10 minimum for wheel spins. You know, if like, hey, you want to get me to chug a beer, it's like 10. That's it. Yeah, that's fair. Thank you, Daniel, for the faux 20, Mr. Netherlands, Mr. Viking. All right, we got a lot of Viking viewers, I think. This is why this time slot's good. I mean, it sucks kind of because I know it's later over there. It really is. But man, this is a time when we can actually kind of get almost everyone to watch. What time would be better than this to get everyone watching? It'd probably be like a couple out, maybe an hour earlier than my normal time, but so another way just to look at this, if you don't care about Fibonacci and you're like, screw fibs, man, fibs are garbo. Well, you just go from the bottom of the structure pretty much to the breakout point, the high point of the structure, and then you just measure, and like that's a really liberal freaking, that's a crazy measure move, right?
Not
Bruh.
one drink with you when I'm watching. Cool
Okay.
face.
All right, Daniel. Thank you for the Neo in the jar, the Matrix Neo. Holy crap. Let's see. Spin for that one. I'm not getting behind, man, on the spins. Thank God. Okay, we're good. Yeah, Logan Kang for a reason. Yeah, dude. Is some sort of cipher forming on the weekly for Bitcoin? I mean, it could be, right? You're probably like XABC. Maybe you show your chart in the Discord. But anyway, I mean, this is the crazy way of looking at it, where it could go to $53, the size of the range, really, right? That's crazy though. I mean, that's a target if we exceed all these. Okay, so that's it, man. On him getting high on pot news.
Bruh.
Super close poll. I haven't even looked. I haven't even voted. So there are multiple schools of thought. Wait, did Chuggy Chugface? He's here, dude. Oh my God, Chuggy Chugface is literally here. Here's his chug, all right?
Bruh.
Yes, we got him, dude. We got him. Chuggy Chugface, we saw that. We saw the horse piss. If you don't know what horse piss is, it's just the terminology for the bottom of the beer. You know, if you're drinking a beer, eventually it's called horse piss because it's like it's gotten really warm because you've been sipping on it for so long, and backwash. So in a chug, I don't know if it's really horse piss. It was a nice chug. He had the luxury of the cup, man. I gotta go get this cup though. Let's see. Well, let's get the vote. That is close. 73 votes. Can we vote for sliced bread? Oh yeah, dude, that's such a good. Hey, we need to do that. Like that needs to be a real life thing now, because I could become a piece of bread right now instead of a hat. I mean, we should rethink this, chat. We truly should. Right? I could just do this, man. I could just be a piece of bread on stream, man, for the rest of the stream. I mean, that's way better than a friggin' Viking hat, right? Revote bread. We want to revote. Dude. You ever seen something like this, man? You voted potato.
$1,200 is 120 spins for Mitch.
Yeah, that's true, but yes, Matthew D. Salespeople do make sales. Okay, I'll spin real quick for that. Jeez. This is by far the best. You can't beat this unless you want to do something. This would be the unveiling. We've never done this before, okay? Okay, Zoral, thank you. Danny Man. All right, look, we've never done this. You're about to witness history, chat.
Bruh.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello? Is this thing on, man? Hi, I'm just a eggplant.
Bruh.
Oh my God, dude. This is terrible. This is just awful.
Bruh.
Anyway, man. This is so stupid, dude. Have you ever gotten technical analysis from a piece of eggplant, man? I don't think so.
Bruh.
Yeah. I know, floppy. It's floppy, dude. I don't know. Anyway, we'll go back to piece of bread for now, dude. This is the default. Okay. So, alright, let me get this, y'all think it over. You talk to the mods, I don't know. Like, this is 10 times better than a stupid hat. I'm sorry, dude. It's just 2020 is here. And though there's coronavirus, there's also this. So, y'all fight amongst yourselves for like 2 minutes while I get the mug and I pour the beer. I'll be right back, okay? Hang tight. Dragon love you guys, alright. Hey man, what's going on? Piece of bread in. How you doing? Okay, so what did y'all decide on the hats and stuff? Anybody? Hold on, let me open this. Sorry, it's loud. So did we want Viking hat, piece of bread? What say you, chat? Oh my god. Pouring this beer, man, letting it air out a minute, and then we'll do things. I know, dude, it's like 2020 has done things. Bad things, but, you know, there is a small glimmer of hope. I guess, right? So, what do we haven't talked to you about this? You need a manager, sir? Madam? Beer is like liquid bread, absolutely. So it's like cannibalism in a way, right? If I have a piece of bread and I chug a beer, well, dude, that's bad. That's me devouring my own in a certain way. Jeez, man, this is scary to think about like that. But I don't know. I don't know if
Bruh.
I'm gonna chug not with this on, because it's like you can't even look. I don't even know what it looks like when I put this in my mouth. It looks so weird, dude. So yeah, dude, that's not gonna cut it, right? At all. I still have a bunch of coffee. Hold on. Yeah, this is TA with Mitch Rye. Oh my god. At what price would we start to see positive momentum on the MACD, Sandman? I mean, if we get any green, any sort of rally, like if we go up to test 68.19, you're going to be getting pretty much some like maturing divergence, triple MACD divergence. But again, that hasn't happened yet. We got an hour and 8 minutes until the daily close. Stop laughing. I'm looking at you. Stop smirking. This is not a freaking joke, man. Yeah, Eric, man, we did it, dude. So we're kind of indifferent here. We now have like Oh, I have to spin once. Okay, hold on. Let me do that. If that's real. What's up, Kriya? How you doing, man? All right, we're safe. No problem, dude. No problem.
Bruh.
I made your day. Let's go. I made someone's day. Now my day is made. So, I just don't understand, man, like what we should do. Whether it's like, do I bread this thing? Or do I do this, man? Do I go Viking? I could be a Viking. All right, I'll just put the Viking hat on, and it's not gonna hurt the other thing. And I'll just chug in the Viking hat, and then I'll go back to being a piece of bread or something. Is anyone cool with that? 88 votes for Logan. Sweet. Is that cool? I mean, I'm trying to think of a compromise. Everyone likes the bread, man. Sir Charles, man, don't wake up the missus, man. Don't you do it. Happy wife, happy life, I hear. Word on the street, anyway. Is that cool? Alright, I'm getting the Viking hat. I'll be right back just so I fill the vote. Hold on. Okay, so this one's for Daniel out there, who's just already a Viking, so IRL Viking. She's breaking her ass. Well, tell her to be careful, and tell her that toilet paper is still scarce. See, I can be a Viking, man, and a piece of bread at the same time. Not as funny here, but this is how I'll chug. Just give me a second, alright? Look, it's sitting here. Tom Brady is looking at you. He's there, dude. No wife, happy life? I don't know, Private Wins. I mean, just depends, right? If you meet the right one, no. But if you meet the wrong one, absolutely no wife, happy life. Sure. You just don't meet the wrong one. What are the futures doing? Ah, good question. Good question on the futures. Down 0.72%. So once it opened, yeah, it started selling some. Crude got manhandled today. I mean, it hit a low of $19.20. Remember this, man? Hold on. Jeez, man. Super annoying. Oh, we're good now. All right. So I don't know. AAL up. Let's go to volatility, I guess. Here. Volatility climbing. Wow, nice. Oh, of course, it's inversing the indices, you know, but that's what it does. So I don't know. Like, it's not volatile. It's not being bad. We haven't limited down yet. Who knows? It's going to be a bad day tomorrow. I mean. Look, okay, so this is what I was wanting to go into, and then I'll chug after I get done with this. So, going back to the S&P 500, we are now at a point where a major reversal could happen any day, and there are reasons why, and I will show you. And yeah, we got to look at the 4 hour to talk about it, just for a moment. It's like, why could a reversal happen any time now? Because we've now made common retraces. We have exceeded a 50% retrace. We're just right there along it. We actually back tested the 50% as resistance on the 4 hour. Okay. So we've made common retraces throughout history since the beginning. When you crash, more often than not, you have a reflexive rally and you go about 50%, 62%. Well, that's where we are. So not only that, on the way up, we've continually been diverging, and now we're showing some pretty freaking mature amounts of bearish divergence on the 4 hour. So we know we can go up tomorrow, keep rallying, whatever, but the bullish divergence played out eventually, So this will eventually play out where we do reverse the downside. I don't know if it's tomorrow or the next day. Look, you're in a channel and you're just kind of in the middle. So think about how, if you're going to respect this channel, the demand line, at least 1 and 2, maybe, just maybe, 2,700 again.
Did you put Where Is the Love from the Black Eyed Peas on the background?
Well, if you want this stream to be taken down and, you know, to be blocked in all countries, including your own, I can. And no one will ever be able to review it and watch it again. It won't be a static video. So I'll leave that to you, Daniel. Do you want that? Do you think that's, you know, it sucks, man. Copyright music on YouTube, they're serious. And those, I mean, Black Eyed Peas, I can't think of a more scrubby manufactured band to, you know, try to take advantage of multiple demographics, right? Isn't it the Office quote? It's like Black Eyed Peas. It's like it's music for, it's rap for people who hate rap. It's rock for people who hate rock, and it's pop for people who hate pop or something, right? You'll pay for the copyright. Dude, that is like, this stream won't be up. That is a band right there that they only exist because of the marketability and the, I guarantee, the market research done trying to get demographics. Black Eyed Peas. How does one simply pay for copyright? Montana Connect? Oh, dude, yeah. So, Daniel, if you don't know, man, there was a guy named Montana, and he was my second largest contributor of all time. And I didn't play a song for him, and he turned on me. I mean, he went nuts over it. Like, I'm talking, it's the most crazy thing I've ever seen in my life. Just because I said, I don't know, I don't want to get my stream taken down and possibly get a copyright strike and not be able to stream on here. He didn't care. He took it as a slight against him and turned on me. I've never seen anything so bizarre. That's the dumbest reason to ever turn on somebody, because I wouldn't play a song request for them. Just for context. Because Montana, I'm sure, was also a millionaire. Whatever, if you're saying you are one. So, Crab Rave is certainly safe. Yes, Mike Lamb. Did YouTube used to let people play copyright? Yeah, they can play copyright music. They'd still get like these copyright ID and stuff issues. But like, I've only been streaming for a little over 2 years, like 2.25 years or something. 2 years and 2 months maybe. And they've always had the algos since my time. But I mean, no, I'm saying, like, how does one simply pay for a copyright? How does that happen, Daniel, man? Do I owe a spin? Someone? At all? Yeah, no, I play music all the time. I'm playing copyright music right now, but there's hard copyright.
Shouldn't 2,850 be the exact resistance on the SPX? We touched it like bejesus and rejected it.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
JP thinks I'm like man for the threes. The exact resistance on the SPX. 2850. I don't know why that's there. I think it's because I plotted on the daily. There's these peaks, these overhead resistances. I think that's how I plotted it, because it was the daily. Let's see. Yeah. Wait, that one's not even there. Yeah, that's a wick. That's a low. I guess, like, I don't know why I had that. Maybe it's like, oh, you know why? Because look, I anchored on the 4 hour here. It was this overhead resistance from January 2018. But yeah, for this low resistance, yes, we touched that and we kind of reversed there. Sure. But I was just looking at this one.
Pay the artist for their work. That's how you pay for copyright. BTW, you still owe a spin on me. Plus this one, cool face.
Cool face connect. Alright, Daniel. You're not from Montana. And that's okay. Alright, that's one. And here's two. Alright, we didn't try it, man. I don't know. It's like, Chuggy Chug Face. Get wrecked, sir. You got you another. And I'll play the song. Okay, I'll play it. What is it? Black Eyed Pea Connect. We're gonna do it, man. I mean, like, what can else? I've already shadow banned. So Bitcoin 66.93 lowest. We're selling off, chat. Let's go 66, 60. Let's go on back to the Bitcoin real quick. If you're enjoying the live stream, the like button, the bell, the sub, I guess. Mother May I on the Mother May I on Phase D. Anyone see? And that's what there it is. The divergence never played out. There was no confirmation. So it's already kind of like, meh. Sorry, Phase D. You're right now at this 6,600 area. I mean, it's been regarded as sport before, I guess, right? But 60 or 6,000. I mean, we can look left if you want. Look, man, you got like these lows, 6,400. I mean, that's where I thought we would go to when we hit 6,500. We never saw 6,400. If you look even further left, that is really 65.36. Okay. So now you've broken this very critical support, and you never even back tested it. And so there's all kind of chop. But look here. I mean, yeah, 6,400 seems to me like the most reasonable next support.
See, that wasn't hard. Beer, Kappa, spin.
That wasn't hard, you say?
Bruh.
What's up, kitten? Oh my god, dude. I know I blocked the name Montana because the dude was harassing me with tip. He was tipping me, and he was like talking crap to me and the whole community via TTS. And I was like, all right, I'm just gonna ban the name Montana. So someone just tipped as Montana. Look, it says it on the recent. What a joke, man. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. Let me get it. 66.31. You just hit your lowest low of the session, of the 4-hour candle. Yeah, I guess of the day. Yeah, lowest low of the day. 66.27. We got less than an hour to a daily candle close. This is the last thing you want if you want a divergence. You're not going to get it, man. Okay? It's like pretty much done now. I mean, you'd have to get some miraculous price action. Black Eyed Peas, something. Oh, Where Is the Love, dude? And it's the most emo. I mean, I'm sorry if you really like the song, dude, but that's like that's kind of not a good one, right, man? We try to find like a scuffed version that's like not got millions of views.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, Danny, man. 420. Holy crap. Should we go ahead a piece of bread? We should do a piece of bread. Let's be a bread. Here we go. All right, y'all feel a little bit more comfortable now that I'm bread? I won't get banned, Fleek. You can't get actually banned. It's just like, what a good stream. You know, what a great stream, and to not be able to replay it. I'm looking, dude. Don't play it. My manager's saying don't play it. Really bad idea. Dude, come on, Daniel, man. Come on, tip. If you're gonna, just be like in the TTS, okay, dude, don't do it. I don't want your channel to get banned.
My cock small.
Oh, good one, Rush Pabs. Gingerly. I don't even know what any of that just meant, okay? Go to Twitch, dude. K-Puff, it would still not work on Twitch too, right? Dude, I'm getting blown up right now, Daniel. People saying, you shouldn't do it, man. Don't do it. There's no point, Vlad says. See, Vlad, he's saying it. Don't play it, man. Yeah, why not play Peanut Butter Jelly Time as bread, dude? Maybe we should do a vote on it, you know? Like, should we play the song? But as far as it goes with buying the copyright, I think you have to do that beforehand, and you have to get approval before you play it on stream, right? Vote, do a poll. Okay. Should we play Black Eyed Peas? That's the best way to make it democratic. Here we go. We're going to do a vote. 66.26 on Bitcoin, near its lows of the day in the past couple days. All right, here we go. Y'all will decide. And if you truly want it, you get it. If you don't get it. That's it. So go vote. I could sing it? Nah, dude, I don't know. Oh my god, that'd be worse. I get banned for terrible singing, dude. That's it. Wow. Daniel, dude. Well, the no's are... Hey, it's close though, right?
Bruh.
Play the Wave remix.
Play the Wave remix. That's more difficult for the algos.
What is a Wave remix? Horn dog, oh my god! Just Dragonfly for a second? Can somebody tell me what that means?
Horndog 333 tip $30. Do just Dragonfly for a second.
Oh my god, man.
What if Daniel is Flowers trying to wreck your channel?
Oh yeah.
Ready to call the YouTube police? I don't want to have to find your stream on the dark web. What's the Tor browser? Don't do it, dude. Rip.
Oh my god, dude. Y'all thinking about this way more than me. Holy crap.
Remember that 3-drive pattern we looked at? Making the measured move to the .618 at 6,450 air.
I know, we still haven't gotten there yet though, dude. Still not there. Oh my god.
Is that a joint?
Sing it, please.
Why even risk it? You know how damaging a copyright strike would be. Yeah, it's true. Daniel's the undercover Fed. Dude, Daniel, man. The community's looking at you sideways right now. The Wave remix. Dude, these have so many views. Hey, Dmitry. Skbliat. Well, here's one with like no views. This one wouldn't give me hit. Base Entity remix. Now I'm looking at one with 36 views. So that means like they wouldn't even be able to get this music up if it wasn't for... Oh, in his house. This will be fine. This isn't gonna get me taken down. Sorry, dude. I don't know what it is. It's probably terrible though. I mean, this is the best I can do. Okay. Dude, remember, Where Is the Love is like a really kind of feminine song, I think, right? So... Right? Yeah, dude. This guy's got like 7 subscribers, 37 views. There's no... It can't get taken down because this song wouldn't even be up, okay? Let me... let me check this beer.
Bruh.
So I don't even know. See, I can't get taken out because I don't even know if it's the real people. Dude, this is... Why is, out of all songs, why are we choosing this one, Daniel? Okay. You could have chosen Metallica, Enter Sandman, right? We could have thought about Led Zeppelin, but it was just like, Black Eyed Peas, Where Is the Love, dude? It's a cover. I'm definitely good. I know, because it's not even the same vibes and music, right? But it's deep house, so that's good. I know I'm not toast right now because I'm about to chug. I'd probably be able to scam chugging as a bread. You can't even see the glass. Dude, of course it's cringy. I'm fulfilling the request of one. Of course it's not good. No one's saying it's good, chat. Hey, Daniel, though, you can't be mad, though, right? This is so loud. I'm sorry. In before Daniel turns on me.
Hi, Mitch man. Can you look at all? Thanks for all the TA.
It's Arjan Govind, the NPC from Skyrim. Yes, man. Kuzfra. Or something. We'll do the bread. Dude, my god. It's like... It's almost over, dude. Yeah, dude, I love the music. Yep. Daniel, look what you've done, man. Alright. Can't believe you've done this, dude. Yeah, American Airlines. Terrible. It's awful, man. Dude, this will be... It was up 3% today almost. It's down 2.77% after hours. Mike Lamb loves the song, dude. See, look at that. I'm getting no affirmation, confirmation, anything from Daniel now. Daniel has just... He's gone. So you haven't even hit the 886 yet. We thought in time we'd see that, even when we were here, when we rallied. Thought we'd see the 886, Y, 809. Look left, man. I guess you're above supports. Yeah, you're look right at this. I think we tested it as resistance. All right, so like the next support's gonna be like 1120 again, and then below that, you know, you got these peaks, but
is that a joint?
As long as you can say it falls under fair use, you cannot be punished for copyright infringement. Cool.
Yeah, I get it, right? That whole sorry officer, I didn't know you couldn't do that thing. That didn't work with YouTube. There is no talking. So if they think it's not fair use, they'll ban you, and then it's like, then what, dude? You're like, well, I can appeal. I'm in the right here. It's like, no, you're not. Good luck talking to a human with 10,000 people that were working at YouTube. Not anymore. Everything's automated now, man. Like, you gotta be real careful because of that. But fair use, there's rules to that. It's you got 15 seconds. 15 seconds to play the song. You go over that, it's not fair use anymore. Believe me, I know all about it, man. The copyright stuff. We've tried all angles. Thank you, dude. 420. But I'm a chug now, if you would prefer. So you're just riding that support, man. Not looking good. Bearish engulfing candle on deck. 45 minutes to go. Oof. That was the most feminine few minutes of my life, or my live streaming career at least. We'd have to go all the way back to when I was singing Backstreet Boys. Kappa. They have like a headquarters and they just can't work. I don't know, security reasons and stuff. Sorry, I got a lot of air in there, man. I just drank myself, dude, or something, right? Because bread, carbs, or something. I don't know. Oh man, I'm starting to feel weird, dude.
I'm starting to feel real weird, man. What's going on? I'm being bread.
Is that a joint?
Rainbows the haters, embrace the lovers, peace sign.
Bruh.
That's right. Rainbows the haters. Embrace the lovers. He's got a point, chat. A real big point. Feeling good in the neighborhood. By the way, get wrecked, chat, because the white flag has not been raised. I have, like, you threw everything you could at me, right? And I'm still standing. What now, chat? What's up, Robert Love? Yeah, man, maybe, dude. I don't know. Yeah, I look a little weirder, DeLove. I got a haircut. No big deal. Carving knife. That's all I could find. You know, all barbershops are closed now, so I haven't had a haircut in like 2 months. Until today. Looking good, man. So 6621, you know, it's not really much of a support.
FCK.
Oh, okay. The FCKs, yes. That's what it means, dude. F the haters. Embrace the lovers. Rainbows the lovers. What was it? Rainbow lovers? Marty, forgetting things. The wampums are hitting me, dude. I mean, you know, 2 beer chugs. It's not, I haven't even had a sip of a beer today, but I have, in fact, chugged 2 beers. Thank you, Daniel. Yeah, I'm starting to get a little toasty. Danny, what happened, man? Don't taunt chat. It's not nice. Oh, I mean, it's not like a real taunt. It's a joke taunt. It's like if you understand it at all, which I think 99% of everyone in here understands it, it's all in good fun, right? We have fun like we've done it all the time. We just hit the lowest low of the day, 6603. I mean, it was like below 6600 for a second. We had 41 minutes to go until your daily candle close. Oh. Jeez, Ricardo, man. Dude, this live streaming game ebbs and flows, man. It's hard to, I mean, if you're a real streamer, like, and you're actually not fake, which I don't know how one can, like, have a sustainable live streaming career being fake, because you always had to put on an act. I mean, every day I'm not gonna fake feelings, so yeah, it's ebbs and flows, man. Good days, bad days, good weeks, bad weeks, good months, bad months. Sorry, man. Just trying to get my composure back. Yeah, again, though, Danny, man, it's not like that at all. It's just playfulness. Yeah, dude. The happening now, we had 2 samples before this where the stock market was fine. There was no coronavirus. There was nothing real bad. You were in a bullish market cycle. And now it's all different. The variables are so freaking different than they were that you can't bank on history of the previous happenings because the exterior circumstances are so different now. Hopefully that answers your question. I have no idea how it's going to affect price at all. Yeah, dude, I need some butter, man. Am I on a roll, John Lewis? Nice one, dude. Nice. Fishhead, did I not get your tip? Did it show up on stream? Oh, it's not wise. You're saying because I'll get wrecked. Yeah, I mean, normally if I taunt, I might get wrecked. Yeah, but I'm confident today. All right, I'm a little cocky. Not supposed to be cocky, but it happens. Hey, man, when you make me drink alcohol, imagine my inhibitions going lower and me getting cockier. Wow. Cause and effect connect. So what was this? What were we saying? Fishhead, dude. Nuh-uh. You did it through stream. Let me check. Was it fiat?
get my link on Twitter for the soundboard? It's a great sound clip for big doms. BTC about to ship the bed.
Nuh-uh. I haven't. Let me check my notes here. Wait, Fishhead, yeah, I did. I truly did. It was about, about 6 to 7 minutes ago, right? Dude, I'm sorry. I can't help if it just fails. But, I did receive it. I never saw Danny's, though. Danny's never came in. The crypto tip. I don't think so. Let me see.
Well, good night y'all. Busy day tomorrow.
Daniel, man, thanks so much for coming by. I know it's later over there. You can probably even look up and see the freaking Northern Lights or something, right? Aurora Borealis Connect. Check it out before you go to bed. Let us know. Thank you, man, for all those contributions today. 133.53. Let's get a big round of applause for Daniel being the session top Jesus today. Thanks so much, man. Okay, so wheel spin. I think I definitely owe one for Fishhead. Let me do that real quick. It's not gonna land on Chug though. I mean, come on, dude. Whew. God. Okay, we're good. And I don't know, man. Like, Danny, are you sure you sent something? Because I don't want to like scam, but it's just like, what can I do if it doesn't show up? You know.
Bruh.
All right, so hold on to the 6600s. Less than an hour till you're closed. Bitcoin's down 3.52% on the day. No big deal, man. And we're just looking at bread. No, I am bread. Sorry. You're in Alaska and you never see it ever, Gundam? Does it ever happen? Full screen the bread? Okay, we'll do full screen for a sec. We'll load it. Hold on, let me change that. Nope, that's not it. No, that's not it either. What the heck? Oh, here we go. Why can't you spend them again?
Bruh.
Here's some of my sweet stimulus money.
Oh, thank you so much for that sweet government money, man. Oh my god. Let me pull the wheel up. I think I can do it on this one too, right? Nah, it's a different scene. Crap. Maybe here, it'll still work here though. Boom. Alright, just a gold, man. We're good. So no spins. Get wrecked. So it's better? Yeah, but you don't want to look at full screen me. You want to look at full screen Bitcoin over there, man. Yeast inflation. Yeah, dude. We're probably screwed. So that's it. That's me. This is me. You know, if you want to, we can come back. I just want to keep screen on Bitcoin. This is not about me, man. This is about the corn, not the bread. Oh yeah, Trading Junkie. Well, that's not the same thing, man. Oh, you're in southern Alaska. That's probably why. Yeah, that's where civilization is, right? Bread looks dang scared. I don't get it. Spin dizzy. You're high as S and losing it over there. You're losing it. Are you kind of freaking out, man? It's a piece of bread.
I like you, Spin Dizzy Man. But you crazy, man. You crazy, man. What?
Bruh.
Crypto Face, what's up, dude? Thanks for that $5 super chat. Kingsman.
Shout out to Mitch for always having positive vibes and all kinds of stuff going on with your animations. Keep kicking butt, bro.
Wow, Crypto Face, man. Really appreciate kind words. I don't know, man. Sometimes it's tough, dude, because it's like, yeah, you know, my job is to, like, you know, do the analysis, provide all that, but also it's, yeah, trying to keep other people positive. But sometimes that's tough because, hey, I've got my own down days, right? But I'm here like pretty much 7 days a week. I try to be. So that's what like you get. If you get somebody who's real that streams every day, you kind of got to deal with them having emotions, you know, that are up and down, like just like you, right? So K-Puff, maybe, man, but it might take time, you know. You saw a triangle UFO at close range in Alaska. Well, dude, the thing is about those might just be interdimensional. Probably, right? Yeah, I know what you're talking about. The triangles are everywhere. You see it, they're like everywhere, dude. Yeah, it's like they come into the dimension and they disappear. The 1, 2, 3, those little lights, the circles, the dots, whatever. Man, there was some footage of the moon. It was nuts, dude. It looked like a fleet or something. Did y'all see that HD video of like those spaceships or whatever the F they were, like passing by the moon? Like they were like next to the moon, and like some were going behind the moon and some were going in front of it. It was freaking trippy. So we could find that. We'll pull it up just for the sake of, I mean, whatever. We're waiting on Bitcoin, you know? Do something at the end of the day. I've been live now 1.5 hours. Let's see. Oh yeah, dude, seriously. Let's see, gotta filters. Go like past week or something. Oh yeah, here it is, man. Oh dude, it's gonna be some freaking guy commenting on it. Why can't I just get the actual footage? Why do these scrubs have to comment on it? Waste my time. Is this it? This is it. Hold on, I'll pull it up on the big screen. Okay, y'all tell me how nuts is this. It's not long, all right? It's not a big deal, but here we are. We're gonna look at it. Turn the wheel off. Well, I mean, I don't know. It's nuts. I'm not saying it's aliens. I'm just saying look at it and listen, okay?
Look here! Look, listen!
Let's give it a second. Remember, for the record, I'm not saying it's aliens. I'm just saying this is something that came out. And someone like videoed it with HD. Or like, you know, like a telescope or whatever. And I'm just like, what? What is this, man? Yeah, the moon has a halo ring. You see that? It's like behind the moon. Oh, sorry, this music's on? Are you kidding me? Scrubby music. Right, so isn't that kind of weird, man? The womp womps.
Bruh.
Okay, alright, we're getting off the beaten trail. That's what you get for making me chug a couple beers, man. Alright. So that's it, dude. That was like this week or something. That was April 10th. So we're talking 5 days ago. Make of that what you will.
Can we finish S&P? Also, JP Morgan downgraded Ragn to mid to low $400.
Oh, let's go, because their analysts are like, hey, JP Morgan dudes, I'm your analyst, and I'm just saying, dude, says all the makings of a varsity athlete for short. And JP Morgan's like, all right, it's time. Go ahead and downgrade it. Do they do that after hours, or when do they do that, Fishhead? Holy crap. So, we'll finish up on the SPX. Oh, I mean, you know, it's like nothing I didn't say in the Patreon, right? Where it's like, if you believe in history, that this is going to repeat itself, which it has. Every crash, we get 50% retraces, reflexive rallies. These are areas where people, if they do believe it, they start layering out of their longs, if they were long or whatever, and they start layering in mildly into shorts. Though I'm saying a 50% retrace is a moderate retrace. It's not like the best value area. It's moderate. But We know from history 50% and 618s are definitely where the major reversals to the downside occur. So you just had to be cognizant of that. Layering in, layering out your best case. It's kind of like the best plan. It's not going all in, cannonballing. It's just dipping your toes in the water. You know, a little bit at a time, each fib node. Now, of course, above the 618, holy crap, you have the 200 moving average, 786, 3136. That would be, no, I mean, it would be like, go figure, that we had this historical 30% drawdown, and now we're getting a markup, the fastest markup of any rally, reflexive rally like ever too, right? But this, I think, would eventually play out, the bearish divergence of the 4 hour. And I don't know if it's going to be now or if it's going to be the 618. Thank you, Mr. Moritz. Thanks, dude. What's up, man? Welcome. Yeah, you're watching a piece of bread. What's up, Extra, man? Hey, man, I saw you in the chat, dude. You just subbing now, man? Thanks. All right, that's finishing up on the S&P. We were at major reversal points, but it may not happen just yet because of the historical nature of the drawdown and the speed of it. That's it. Okay, so Regen finally did something today. It's not down anything after hours. So what did they say? What was it about the fish head? Did you respond to what I said? That question asked after hours? I don't think I saw a response, man. Alright, well, anyway, it was downgraded to the 400s. Huh. The 400s, right? The low 400s, you mean the bottom of the range? It's pretty much up thrusted through it. Look, daily. First bearish engulfing candle since March 24th. Holy crap. Hanging-ish man, Dragonfly Doji Connect yesterday. Big bearish engulfing candle. Where? Not in some random point of space, not near the moon where the aliens are, maybe. But no, 526, a previous peak, all the way back. I got all the way back from July of 2017. So, not only is that going on, you're at critical resistance points with a slightly higher high, with receding volume out the yin yang. You've got yourself what looks to be, to me, man, and I'm crazy here, but you have clear discernible bearish divergence on the MACD. But if this was to truly start reversing, you could say and argue, yeah, also the RSI. That's it, man. So JP Morgan thinks these prices are fair, not where we are now. Wow, go figure. Excuse me. That's right, Amazon hit all-time highs. The king, man. Well, I think there was like, you know, astronauts have been, you know, like they've said, like they've been interviewed, and it's like they were told not to talk about all the stuff that they saw, like when they were flying through space, like because they saw so much stuff that was so weird, right? Someone back me up on that if I'm right. Call me out if I'm wrong. That's a target, man. Rush pass, man. That's a target. I mean, just flip it. Imagine this being bullish divergence. And imagine it looking like this. And you're like, holy crap, man. Look at this bullish engulfing candle off a critical support. Whew. It's a 40% top performer of the entire stock market for 2020. I get it, man. It's like, how could it reverse? I can't believe it, man. HG was saying that. How could you be bearish on this? We've already gone over all, and we have a pretty solid argument based on technical analysis, but we know the fundamentals are like, how does one go short on one of the leaders in finding a vaccine or cure for the coronavirus, which has shut down the entire economy? UFOs are real. Of course they're real. They're unidentified flying objects. They are confirmed. Yeah, but we're talking about like extraterrestrials. I think, you know, the difference. Oh, yeah. Dude, nothing to look at, man. I don't know what to tell you, dude. What do you want me to say? Liberty. It's up 1,000% or something stupid. 200%. I don't know. 629% up. It's down 48% after hours. I mean, look at this. Got up to $133. It's at $34. Pump and dump? No idea, man. Look, oh, you were in a downtrend. You were in a channel, and then you broke out. And then that was it. 1, 2, 3. Boom. You broke out. Congratulations. It's done. Yeah, there's like a... I know it looks weird, but there's like a gap down here. Look, the low. That's how illiquid it is. Derp. So I'll cover it right there. Don't let me tell you, man. It is absolutely bonkers.
Bruh.
Alright, we got 21 minutes or so and change until the close. The daily close, of course. Are we cool? Good one, Coiner, man. Yeah, Chuck Norris. The virus had to quarantine itself or something, right? Yup. Los Amaris, man. I mean, it's like pretty much Bitcoin. I mean, 6400s. $6,400, man, has been the target, but it's been the target since up here. All right, and I'm going to show you. Like, this is the idea we've had. Now I think it could go lower, but like, if you're talking about the 3 drives pattern, which Schwab was brought up a minute ago, or maybe like an hour ago. Like, this is like the ideas we had. You know, he brought it up. I'm like, hey man, that looks peculiar. That looks definitely like 3 drives, bearish 3 drives pattern. I mean, we're talking like this was at 7,300, 7,400. Right, entry was kind of like right around there, and you know, 1 peak, 2, 3. You dumped in from the low point of the structure to the high point, the 618, which is 6488 is the target of that. So we're at 6622. We were less than $100 away from that target on the 13th, 2 days ago. But maybe we'll get lucky and it'll go for real this time. I mean, it seems to me very possible we could be in that phase D where you get sell-offs with elevated volume, and then the small scrub rallies you get are on low volume. That's it. That's maybe where we are. Okay. Maurice. Oh, look, could Regeneron sell off to? I mean, it could go to the 400s, low 400s. That's the bottom of that range. Straight up, straight down. From 500 to 400, really. Chat, what happened? Y'all were so lit earlier in the stream and now it's all dead. Like, what did I do, man? Thanks for the 609 people tuned in. Let me, I gotta delete something real quick. Gosh, always, every day. Oh, guess what? What's coming back, chat? May 3rd. Billions. Now, I know it's kind of become this virtue signaling show. It's a former shell of the first couple seasons. But, you know, whatever. Better than nothing. Cobra Kai coming back this month. Can't wait for that, man. It's surreal. Looking here, listening. I got you, man. The bulls are in shock. Are they? What are they in shock about, man? Yeah, thanks. Oh my god, dude. We got like only 40 more likes till 400. Can we do it, chat? I think we can. Do it for the bread. Do it for me chugging beer and pretty much being a cannibal. Because of yeast, right? Yeast ingestion. What is it, John Afonso? It was Danny's music. No, Daniel's. Because we got Danny in here and we got Daniel. Don't think we have a Daniela, but we'll see. Nah, World Unite. Nah, it's some bot trying to suppress my. I mean, like, it's crazy. It's like I schedule stream, boom, dislikes. And it's like, oh, my stream ends and it processes, boom, all those likes just disappear into nothing. Oh, yes, Bok Talk. I'm so yesty. Is that even a word, dude? I don't think so. Futures dumping? Oh, yeah? Sorry, just reading something. No, they're not. What are you talking about, dude? Fishhead, huh? Dumping. You're down 0.68%. You're higher than you were when we looked at it the last time, right? Fishhead, what are you looking at? Oh my god, it's Megan. What's up, Megan? She can't believe what she's seeing. You posted screenshots of the bot stuff, huh? Oh my god, did Chuggy Chugface do another chug? I don't even know if that's the same one or not. All square, he said. Alright, so this is Chuggy Chugface. Okay. Yeah, this is the second one. So he doesn't know anything. He hit chug twice. He's chugging twice. I think, man. Unless I'm crazy, I might have lost my mind. I don't know. Whatever. Oh my god, dude. Where did you post whatever we're talking about? What's up, Gareth, man? Check Discord for a chart. Yeah, is that true? But what part of Discord? We got a lot of channels, man. Oh, respect the TA, maybe? Oh, okay, I got you. He's saying, what are you saying, dude? What was the question, man? 60-minute chart. He was saying... Oh, futures down. Oh, S&P futures down. Dude, 0.67% down. That's dude, that's normal. I mean, not on like, we're looking at the 5-minute. We don't do technical analysis on it because it's a joke, but we're looking at it, right? And it's about the same, right? It did dump a little bit earlier, like at the beginning of the stream, and maybe like, yeah, beginning of the stream, like as soon as it opened, sure. Michael, it's just like, there are minor support resistances all over this place, dude, and that's kind of where you are. It's not much volume, right? Lots of indecision still, but we do think that we might be doing some phase D stuff with Wyckoff, which is scrubby rallies on low volume, and then any kind of time you sell off their elevated volume levels. We're getting that. Daily close will be great. Yeah. Like to see where we are. I mean, think about it. You're in the midst of painting a bearish engulfing candle in the 4-hour right now. Yeah, I have a potato version, Philip, of course, man. You want to see the potato real quick? Yeah, we can do that, man. No problem. Oh my god, where is it? Don't save my favorites. Potatoes. Hold on. Yeah, man, you want to be a potato? Here's a potato. Hey, man, I'm a potato. Potato. Okay. What is this, a pot leaf? Oh, this would be cool to have on 420 or whatever. I mean, it's lame. Oh, are you high on pot news?
The best stream since sliced bread. 10 years ago I would have brought home eggs, bread, cigarettes and milk from the supermarket with just $4 in my today they have surveillance cameras everywhere.
Unemployed bakers, thank you so much for the potatoes or something. Thank you, dude. That's a poorly timed contribution since I'd been a piece of bread for a lot of the stream. And we just went full potato just for Philip for the Irish. But we can go back, man. We can head on back to being bread. Everyone loves the bread. Okay. Okay.
Okay, man, are we cool? Are we cool, dudes? I think we are. Alright, we got, we're running on the clock now. We got less than 12 minutes until your daily candle close, man.
You don't like the background. What are you, a yeastus? What is it, a breadist? Racist against bread, dude? Yeah, the eggplant's something else, man. That's all I can say about it. Jeez. Yeah, you got volatility. Futures are up 2%. That's kind of interesting. But yeah, hasn't moved much. What's up, couch? More free Monopoly money? Oh my god, oh god, dude. You know there's some people that are getting like $5,000 a month to be unemployed right now? I mean, I get it. Like, whatever, but that's kind of obscene. It's like, how are you going to get those people back to work? I mean, how would somebody be incentivized to work ever again? You have to take it away from them. Oh, the background of the potato is kind of weird. It's like, I'm a potato and I'm underground because I'm growing. Yeah, it was weird. What's up, Scatman? This randomly says, never mind. Okay. It's crazy. I'm a Viking too. I have a Viking helmet on and a piece of bread. We will never reopen the economy if they pass that. Dude, I know. I mean, it's like, I was just devaluing the currency. Like that's how inflation starts. When you start taking that money and you just directly put it in the economy like that, that will create stupid inflation. What's up, Errol? You tripping on this TA bread? Yeah, man. Well, I would say this stream or you know, normal streams we've got. It's not a big deal, right? It's like. But out the gate, you know, someone's like, hey, let's start the spin. And I'm like, I don't know. And someone's like, yeah, do it, man. And then Pandora's box. And now here we are. And I've chugged 2 beers on a Wednesday of all days, right? Is there a corn variation? I don't know. Good question, man. We've never searched for it. Corn. There's gotta be, right? It's very new, so if there's not, I wouldn't be surprised too. Let's try this out, right? Maybe a piece of corn, dude. Oh my god, that's so bad. Like corn, I am the elder corn. Weird, dude. What are these people thinking, man? So lame. Like, no, they're all bad. Someone needs to develop corn. corn dog? Corn dog? Nope, there is no real corn. Sorry, I cannot be a piece of corn yet. We just don't have it developed, all right? Sorry, chat. But remember, we can always do the chug of chugs. Like, we can have the wheel spin land on one part, and it's like you can get a mini wheel spin. How does this work? You just click it like that, and it spins. It's like maybe it lands on that. It's like a double chug. Oh my god. It's weird though. You can't, I don't think you can augment that up there. Anyway, let's go back to what we know. BB and bread. Thanks. 7 minutes, chat. 7 minutes around the clock. Been live now for about 2 hours. Hour 51 minutes. We'll see how this potential bearish engulfing candle closes now. All right, Philip, have a good one, man. Now it's late over across the pond. You'll get some sleep so you can wake up tomorrow and do a bunch of nothing from home. It sucks, dude. I could be a bull or a bear. Yeah, that'd be fun, man. Yeah, Zcash, man. It's nothing, Burger, man. It's like this old school. I haven't updated this crap in a while. Let's redo it or something. Dude, it looks like everything else, right? Where it's like it crashed and it's upsloping its consolidation, and eventually with Bitcoin dumps, it's dumping too. What would happen? Like, nice anchor points up here. Log scale? Doesn't help, really. We do it the way we did Ethereum, I think. It's like 1 and 2. It does. Do that, you like breaking out, man. Like, you broke out, man. I mean, look, you see this March 20th high? You're now below it, testing it and failing a bunch of freaking times. Look, man, you had bullish divergence like Bitcoin, right? And no demand. Absolutely no freaking demand. Where's the bounce? This is the seller, the seller exhaustion. And when the seller exhaustion came to be, there were no buyers. There was no demand. So now you're still below this friggin' little peak for March 20th. That's not really good. So you're out of this little channel now. Bitcoin dumps, then Zcash probably going with it, right? That's it, dude. There's your Zcash, all right? Scatman, you there, man? Did you already leave? Jeez. Alright, we have less than 5 minutes to go, chat, until the daily candle close. It's been a very interesting stream. I did not expect that. Oh man, y'all were definitely surprising. Holy crap, man. Okay, I think you've broken the top of the range. You're back well below it. You regarded it as resistance yesterday, and now you've reversed, but you've not yet made lower lows. But we could definitely say, what's up, Kevin? We could definitely say that if you closed here, it'd be the lowest point traders have settled up since April 2nd, man. That's kind of, 2 weeks. Lowest candle close. So you do have distribution going on, and with the divergence here manifesting into lower highs, that's not good. And with your daily, where we look at it, sorry, this is my old chart, man. Let me go to the other one. Daily. Look, man, bearish engulfing on the 4 hour and the daily at the same time, and oh my god, hadn't seen negative momentum since March 20th. Well, the time is at hand, chat. Finally. We're talking like 25 days, right? of only positive momentum. So it is time for more red. Even if it's nothing, barely anything, it's coming. Don't forget it. Don't forget it at all. You know what? Let's go to the futures real quick. I know it's not updated or anything, but I want you to see like why. I mean, this is like not good. Like the futures chart. But you could have had this all plotted since March 20th. For the first time on the 12th, we broke out bearishly. We've run up to make a lower high below the 200 moving average. We could never break it. Bearish. And now you're selling off. 64.85, below that, 6K or so. I mean, just flip the chart over. Dang, man, high or low? Okay, go look at this little neckline here. Dang, left shoulder hit, right, kind of right shoulder. It's kind of not good looking, but man, bullish. Well, there's bullish divergence on the 4 hour anyway. I guess you were starting to get that, but it's building. And look, your RSI, I'm telling you, get oversold again. This could keep building, man. So, anyway. Dang, this looks bullish. This is bearish. All right, just for context. All right. So we got less than 2 minutes to go to your daily candle close. Thank you so much for helping make the stream fun and crazy, dude. Y'all did it, man. That's you. All of you.
Can you check out CHWY? Short incoming?
Chewy? Gross. Yeah, maybe. Thank you, dude, for the threes, Fishhead. Got less than a minute, so I don't know, man. You mean, I get you might be diverging, but you're not overbought yet. What if this keeps building and you just broke out? Yeah, so I'm gonna see straight line up, no value up here, that's for sure, but not too much of an edge quite yet on this. I mean, you back tested it and then you ran and closed near your highs of the day. This could go higher. It could. Well, 1272 is 46 in it. Why could we not hit that before reversing, right? Could keep building. And we'll see. Yeah, you fall below 41.34. Yeah, you could free fall down to 35.50 for sure. Yep. Look over here. All right, here's chat. All right, a new day. Yes, a new day is upon us. Are we gonna have some holy? Oh my God.
A new day is upon us, man. I am a holy piece of bread sent from the Jesus man. All right. We've just fallen below 6,600 for a second. Let's see if it holds. Thanks so much, man. Cheers.
Bruh.
So it's true. It is very true. The lowest price traders have settled up on the 4 hour on Bitcoin since, yes, April 2nd. 2 weeks. So 65.83. You're now falling to your lowest point of the sell-off. Negative momentum is building. So we know for a fact now, any sort of divergence, triple divergence has failed. It's not happening. Pretty much. A few more dollars and we'll be at our lowest point even from the wick, right? That wick that was a couple days ago. It got us down to less than 100. There it is, chat. We just got to the lowest point of the sell-off. Sell-off that really kind of started April 7th. Good news. Have you heard the good news? He has risen. Anyway. Well, you shouldn't be taking financial advice. I am not a financial analyst. Like, right? I'm just telling you what. The way I'm looking at it, man. I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything, am I? Nope, that's not financial advice. So we did get as low as 65.09. I don't know, 65.07, whatever, dude. And selling off some more. I just felt like being a piece of bread, man. That's it. So 65.50. Okay, yeah, up and down, up and down. New day. And get price action sometimes. Here we go, man. You're not even oversold, right? The divergence is not anymore, right? So you got plenty of room to run to the downside. Market participants choose it to be. They could drive this thing down much more. Okay, sorry, scratch my nose. It looks weird. Tom Brady, funny dude. Hey, 200 moving average on the 4 hours. Seems very likely we would touch it. 64.23. Not bad.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Such an injustice. Crypto Influencers Awards voting started and top TA person you weren't there. Wrote you in. Such an injustice, you not making the list. Sad face. Happy dump day. Loving my shorts.
Dude, they got their own little scrub clique. I don't give a crap. Dude, I'm not gonna collaborate with them. I don't care. Like, good for them. And hey, you're the best TA person. Congratulations on your award, man. You know what my award is? My award is I get to do what I love every day with a bunch of freaking fantastic people. That's good enough for me, man. I don't care about some award some kid's gonna get. I don't care, man. Like, whatever. I'll never win awards, dude. I'm never gonna go viral. Nothing big is gonna happen. We're gonna stay methodical and calm, and everything's gonna stay normal, dude. I'm never gonna blow up. Like, virality is not gonna happen, and that's okay. I get it. It's a niche thing, and whatever. Good for them. Thanks for the 420, dude. Yeah, one day I'll be an entire loaf of bread. There you go, man. 65.50 on Bitcoin. I may not be the best TA according to the people that think they're cool, man, but no one's put in more hours of streaming. And since I've been streaming for 2.5 years, or 2 years and 2 months, whatever, no one's put in more hours than me. No way. No way. Nope. We've got like evidence, of course, on my videos, on my streams. Right, 10-hour marathon streams, forget about it. Back-to-back marathon streams, 10 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours, 13 hours before. Like, whatever, man. Who's put their heart into it more? Who's put their time into it more? No one. We know that. That's real life, and there's evidence of that. So when I look at Bitcoin, like when I'm looking at other charts, Bitcoin isn't a part of the screen where I do look up at it. Look, I'm looking at my Bitcoin chart right now. That's how I knew to change back to Bitcoin when it was dumping earlier, because I'm looking at it. It's always there. Whatever, Nefarious, man. Like, people looking at other markets isn't them copying me, dudes. Like, I've been looking at stocks forever. Could this be a falling wedge? It is a falling wedge, but it's a descending, broadening wedge, which is technically falling, I guess. But look at it. It's there. What's up, Maria? Futures mooning? Is that another meme? Futures are climbing, not mooning. But whatever. Stocks are pumping, man. Alright, time for Bitcoin to pump now, man. Because Bitcoin has nothing to do with equities, right? Yeah, it's going up a little bit. Down 0.41%. That's 0.2% higher than it was before we started rallying. So, the VIX is dumping, dude. Well, yeah, when you tell everyone to sell all their Bitcoin at like 3,000 back in early 2019, yeah, you might need to switch to another market because you lose all your credibility when you do that, right? When you're so certain on something, right? So good for all of them. Yeah, they're the popular kids, right? I'm not a popular YouTube crypto click person. Sorry, dude. I'm like lone. I'm a lone like streamer of this, and I'm not like crypto. Like it's TA with Mitch Ray. Anyway, man. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Bitcoin 65, 66. Your daily. You have a new candle. What did it close as? The daily close is a bearish engulfing candle, and that is your first candle close confirmation back below that 68.19. So keep that in mind. So this could, you would think there's follow price action, lower prices on Bitcoin, lower prices, not higher. But I get it. The stock market, if the futures pump, then okay, Bitcoin just pumps somehow with it. Okay. I know the tipper did kill the whole stream. Yeah, the vibe. Because I don't want to listen. I don't care about other people. I don't care about Tone effing Vase. Who gives a crap about him? $1,000, dude. I don't care. So don't bring him up. I compare myself to myself from yesterday, like you should. You shouldn't be comparing yourself to other streamers, to other people from what you do, right? Because it's just going to piss you off, and I don't like it. I don't care. But, you know, when people bring it up, it does get annoying. It's like, I don't want to hear that. Kill my vibe, dude. So next time you want to bring me up and compare me to somebody, just leave me out of it, okay? Thanks everyone for being here. Y'all are amazing. Best community out there. Freaking love y'all. You know it. Compare yourself to yourself from yesterday and no one else. I'll be back. Till next time, respect the TA.
those turd nuggets.